Next up, have you ever heard that selling a home is easy? You don't really need an agent to do it. You can just put a sign in the yard, you can get a buyer, and you can close. Anyone can do it. Rick and Mary in Norcross submitted a question. Say, the market seems pretty strong, and my wife and I think we can sell our house by ourselves and save the commission. Should we reconsider? I love that. It's almost like they teed up the ball for me to hit it. And I say, yes, you should reconsider. And it's not because you can't sell your house on your own, because you probably can, but you might not be able to sell your house on your own and get the maximum amount of money for your home. Now, one of the weird dynamics in a for sale by owner market, where the owner of the home is trying to sell without the help of a licensed real estate professional, is that the homeowner is trying to save a certain percentage of real estate fees. They're negotiable. They can be anywhere from 5 to 6, 7%. And the buyer is trying to save the same fees, because a buyer understands that when you have your home listed for sale by owner, they understand that you're going to be saving money, and they would like to be saving money as well. So when you see a for sale by owner sign in the yard, what that means is it means the homeowners think they can do what an agent would do. Here are 4 reasons some sellers think they don't need a realtor. Number 1, they think they have the time and effort to devote to the sale. While they may have the time, they might not have any idea what realtors do before showing houses: the marketing, the preparation of the home, determining the correct price, understanding and knowing how to respond to questions from potential buyers. I see so many sellers that step into a trap when answering questions for a buyer. And really, one of the best things for you as a seller is to stay away from the buyer and let someone who is an expert in answering questions, certainly honestly, certainly straightforward and truthfully, but maybe they can answer it differently than you would. Second thing is they believe owners believe they'll always be available to show the property. The reality is that is not the case. Homeowners pay for the opportunity to have their home shown at times that are convenient. Owners believe they'll market the property. The reality is there's no unique digital presentation, including video and social media platforms being covered and more with most homeowners. And then owners don't necessarily need to get involved with procedures and contracts. When a home buyer answers questions that most agents can answer, sometimes homeowners cannot answer those. Mortgage timeline, documentation, referrals for all kinds of services, all of that kind of stuff. You need an agent to do that for you. But first and foremost, remember that everybody is trying to save the same dollar.